June the 19th, shrubs. In chalky areas, nearly all the wild shrubs are now in flower. That is dogwood, gelder, rose, alder buckthorn, purging buckthorn, wild privet and elder. Elder, Sambucus nigra, is often found in the most neglected places. It was believed to grow where there was peace and tranquility. The flowers have a heady muscat scent, which is found in many sweet wines, and its hollow stems were once used as pea-shooters. Its aromatic leaves were also popular to decorate summer hats in order to deter flies. An unusual shrub found in the wild, but usually not far from a garden, is the Duke of Argyll's tea plant, Lycium barbarum. It has small purple flowers and very much a scrambling habit. The story goes that the third Duke of Argyll was sent this plant, as well as a true tea plant, and the labels were accidentally swapped. It was 2 generations of Argylls later before the mistake was realised, but the plant has kept its original incorrect name. Poisonous red berries will come later on this shrub, which induce such unpleasant symptoms as disturbed eyesight, excessive urination and flushed skin. Gardens provide a much richer array of shrubs this month. There are many new species and forms. For example, Ceanothus, wisteria, Syringa cistus, Viburnum cornus, Hypericum escalonia, Deutzia berberis hebe, and Philadelphus, all of which are common. Chinese wisteria is said to have the best vanilla scent of all. Philadelphus, or mock orange, has one of the strongest scents to be encountered in the entire year, so strong that when placed in a warm room, it has been known to induce headaches. It is also famous for throwing its orange blossom odour some distance. Captain Cook's sailors were particularly partial to tea made from its flowers. Besides the new rhododendrons and azaleas, there are also several new interesting shrubs that tend to be found in collections. For example, Colwitzia amabilis, Leptospermum abelia, Calmia latifolia, Lepinus arboreus, Phalonis solanum, Enchianthus vaccinium, and Pomegranate punica. There are good shrub collections at Kew, Wisley, and the Isabella Plantation in Richmond Park. Rarer shrubs can also be found in all these places, as well as the Chelsea Physic Garden and the Savile Gardens near Windsor. For example, Zenobia pulverulenta, Leucotho, Gaulteria, Indigofera amblyantha, Principia uniflora, Fabiana imbricata, Dipelta ventricosa, Schisandra, Lochroma styrax, and 1 or 2 Stuartias. Fruits and seeds. By the middle of June, early flowering trees such as cherries may have ripening fruits that are systematically removed by hungry blackbirds and wood pigeons. Small green prickly fruits are already forming on common horse chestnuts, Aesculus caglicastanum, although any Indian horse chestnuts, Aesculus indica, are still in full flower. Keys are developing on sycamores and many other maples, some with attractive pink edges. Poplars and willows are still shedding their fluffy cotton seeds in their trillions, and sometimes so fecund the seeds completely cover nearby plants. Unripe green mulberries are quickly developing under mulberry leaves, and hornbeam seeds are getting noticed everywhere. Rowan berries are also swelling, but again they're mainly still green. The long dangling seeds developing on Caucasian winglets now give the tree an almost tropical appearance. These trees hail from the swampy areas in the Caucasus and Iran, where they must make a spectacular sight en masse. On ash trees, fresh green keys are starting to form. At this young stage, they used to be pickled and eaten. Figs are not yet edible, but are starting to colour up.